Today, we're diving into a nifty feature in Google Sheets, copying conditional formatting. Imagine applying the same formatting rules across different cells without the manual hassle. It's like having a formatting wizard. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to copy conditional formatting seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Let's say you have a cell with conditional formatting rules that you want to apply elsewhere. Click on the cell with the desired formatting. Step 3. Go to the Format menu at the top. Choose Conditional Formatting. Step 4. A sidebar will appear on the right. Here, you'll see the existing rules for that cell. Step 5. Click on the drop-down next to Format Cells If and choose Custom Formula Is. Step 6. Copy the custom formula from the original cell. For example, if your original rule was equals A1 100, paste the same formula here. Step 7. Click Done. The formatting rules will now apply to the selected cell and any other cells you choose. Congratulations! You've just become a formatting wizard. Keep your spreadsheet stylish and consistent.